Hey guys, welcome back to Cara's Cakes. Today I'm going to be decorating a Neapolitan cake. So I'll bring you along with me and show you how I do that. It's going to have a layer of vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate, and I'm going to try to decorate the outside to match. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you don't want to miss any new videos from me. I upload videos every Sunday. If you make something similar to this, go on over to my Instagram page and post a picture and tag @CaraBakesCakes.